Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Nitro RC Cars is probably one of the most exhilarating ways to experience remote-controlled excitement, offering a thrilling blend of speed, power, and authentic engine sounds that electric models simply can't replicate, making them a top choice for hobbyists seeking a truly immersive and high-octane experience that pushes the boundaries of R/C performance and brings the roar of a real engine right to your fingertips. Number 5. DEERC 9206E DIY RC Monster Truck. Introducing a large-scale RC car that's more than just a toy. It comes with a customizable shell, letting you design your own unique look. Plus, with LED headlights, you can race day or night. Tired of short play sessions? This RC car includes 2 high-quality rechargeable batteries. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of thrilling driving action on a single charge. Experience precise control with its proportional throttle and steering system. Easily adjust speed and direction for a smooth ride, perfect for beginners and experts alike, up to 100 meters away. Equipped with durable metal oil-filled shock absorbers, this vehicle is ready for any adventure. Drive it on beaches, sand, rocks, or concrete roads, knowing its components are protected. Looking for the perfect gift? This high-speed, all-terrain RC car is ideal for kids and adults who love excitement. It's designed to spark imagination and provide endless outdoor fun. To ensure optimal performance and longevity, please avoid continuous high-speed operation for over 20 minutes. Allow it to cool down between uses and avoid extreme conditions. Refer to the user guide for detailed safety information. What we like. If you love to personalize your ride, this one is for you. It comes with an extra transparent shell for you to design your own unique look. Plus, with LED headlights, you can keep the fun going even after dark. If you're looking for a customizable experience and nighttime driving capability, this is a great choice. What people say. The DEERC 9309E has blown me away. This thing is fast, the 40 kph top speed feels every bit as quick as advertised, and the 4WD traction makes it a blast to drive on pretty much any surface. Grass, gravel, dirt, pavement, it handles all of it without hesitation. The build quality is impressive too. It feels solid, the suspension actually works, and the waterproofing is legit. We've splashed through puddles and wet grass with zero issues. The included 2 batteries are a huge bonus and easily double the fun without having to stop and recharge right away. The 2.4 GHz controller is responsive with no lag, and even at higher speeds it stays surprisingly easy to control. Number 4. DEERC High-Speed RC Monster Truck. Get ready for an upgraded RC experience. This newly designed car features larger tires for superior grip and a reinforced hub to withstand collisions. Everything you need for immediate fun is included, so join the DEERC adventure. Enjoy over 40 minutes of thrilling playtime with 2 included rechargeable batteries. Its robust nylon chassis provides excellent durability and resistance to impacts, making it perfect for any RC enthusiast. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this hobby-grade RC car offers precise proportional control. Easily adjust speed and steering for a tailored driving experience, opening up a new world of adventure. Experience incredible acceleration and a top speed of over 40 km/h thanks to its powerful 380 motor. The integrated metal heat sink ensures extended motor life by efficiently dissipating heat. With its independent suspension, damped metal shocks, and spring-loaded wheels, this car is built to handle any challenge. Don't let harsh environment stop your race, drive it wherever you want. What we like. For those who demand durability and enhanced grip, this model is a standout. Its upgraded tires and robust PA chassis are built to withstand collisions, while the metal heat sink keeps the motor running cool. If you're a beginner or advanced user seeking a resilient truck that can handle rough play, this is an excellent option. What people say. The 4WD traction makes it a blast to drive on pretty much any surface. Grass, gravel, dirt, pavement, it handles all of it without hesitation. The build quality is impressive too. It feels solid, the suspension actually works, and the waterproofing is legit. We've splashed through puddles and wet grass with zero issues. The included 2 batteries are a huge bonus and easily double the fun without having to stop and recharge right away. Number 3. DEERC 9300E High-Speed RC Monster Truck. Introducing the newly upgraded high-speed remote control car. With larger tires and a stronger grip, it's ready for any adventure. Everything you need for fun is included, so join the excitement. Enjoy over 40 minutes of thrilling driving with 2 included batteries. Its robust nylon chassis is built to last, making it the perfect choice for RC enthusiasts. This hobby-grade RC car features a 2.4 GHz proportional control system. Easily adjusts speed and direction, making it ideal for both beginners and advanced drivers. Experience exhilarating acceleration and a top speed of over 40 km/h thanks to its 2 powerful motors. A professional metal heat sink ensures extended motor life. With its independent suspension and damped metal shocks, this all-terrain racing truck handles any environment with ease. Its durable wheels provide support on uneven ground, letting you race anywhere. The well-designed hub metal sheets prevent deformation, and we've even included helpful accessories for maintenance. Get ready to explore new worlds of fun. What we like. If you're after raw power and a customizable aesthetic, consider this option. It features dual motors for enhanced acceleration and a metal heat sink for longevity. The inclusion of an extra shell encourages personalization. This is ideal for those who want a fast, powerful truck they can make their own. What people say. The DEERC 9309E has blown me away. This thing is fast, the 40 kph top speed feels every bit as quick as advertised, and the 4WD traction makes it a blast to drive on pretty much any surface. Grass, gravel, dirt, pavement, it handles all of it without hesitation. The build quality is impressive too. It feels solid, the suspension actually works, and the waterproofing is legit. We've splashed through puddles and wet grass with zero issues. The included 2 batteries are a huge bonus and easily double the fun without having to stop and recharge right away. The 2.4 GHz controller is responsive with no lag, and even at higher speeds it stays surprisingly easy to control. Number 2. DEERC DE36W RC Monster Truck. See the world from a whole new perspective with its 1080p HD camera. You can capture clear photos and videos directly to your phone, widening your view and keeping those precious moments with loved ones. Take control in 2 ways. Use the 2.4 GHz radio remote for long-range racing with friends, or connect via Wi-Fi to your phone for app-based driving. This offers a control range of up to 165 feet, letting you share your adventures easily. Enjoy up to 60 minutes of playtime thanks to 2 included rechargeable batteries. Each battery provides 25 to 30 minutes of action on a full charge, allowing for exciting racing at speeds up to 20 km/h. This vehicle is designed with advanced anti-skid tires, shock absorbers, and an anti-collision beam. Its responsive controls and durable build handle unexpected drops and rough surfaces with ease, ensuring a longer-lasting experience. With its strong body and versatile tires, it conquers various terrains like roads, sand, and mud. It's ideal for any occasion, indoors or out, making it a fantastic gift for kids and adults alike. What we like. Experience RC driving like never before with its FPV camera and dual control modes. You can see what the car sees via your phone or control it directly. With an impressive 60 minutes of playtime, it's perfect for extended adventures. If you enjoy immersive driving and capturing content, this is the truck for you. What people say. This RC car is a really fun and impressive toy, super fast and comes with a built-in camera, which adds a great touch. The car itself is sturdy and has a cool design. The interior has seats and a steering wheel. The tires are actual squishy rubber and the car's suspension actually works. I was pleasantly surprised at the video quality of the camera. I was expecting the video to be very grainy, but very surprised how good the video quality actually was. Number 1. AMORIL 110 RTR Brushless RC Monster Truck. Experience the thrill of high-speed off-road adventures with this powerful remote control truck. Its advanced electronics are designed for maximum performance and customization, allowing you to reach incredible speeds. Conquer any landscape with its robust construction. The durable chassis and efficient 4WD system minimize power loss, ensuring a strong and reliable drive on the toughest terrains. Enjoy a smooth and stable ride, even at high speeds. Its innovative geometric structure, shock absorbers, and quality tires reduce shaking, enabling impressive jumps and stunts. This hobby truck is designed for everyone, offering easy operation with its 4-channel controller. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced enthusiasts, providing control up to 150 meters. Make it your own with versatile compatibility and upgradability. The adjustable design allows for easy customization, making it ideal for thrill seekers who love to personalize their RC experience. Don't let the elements stop you. This high-speed RC car is waterproof, ready to tackle any adventure, rain or shine. What we like. For the ultimate speed demon, this truck is the top pick. Its brushless motor and 3S LiPo support allow for exhilarating speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, built with a durable alloy chassis and advanced suspension. It's designed for high-performance thrills. If you crave extreme speed and are looking for a highly upgradable platform, this is the one. What people say. Fast on 2's batteries, fairly easy to drive. Durable, and well constructed. Remote works well enough, motors are solid performers, and if you're into it, you can modify just about everything on this turkey. It has excellent speed and traction for all types of terrain including snow, ice, and wet conditions. The truck is a lot more expensive than I originally had planned to pay, but after considering the replaceable parts that may be upgraded or replaced, I believe it was worth the price. It's fast, it's 4x4, just overall a great RC car for beginners or intermediate drivers. The Omni comes with everything. It's already faster unless I get the 3S motor for my Traxxas, then it would be the same speed pretty much, but the Omni even has cooling fans on the motor, which the Traxxas doesn't come with. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.